guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So today we are trying the Burano color changing polygel kit. I'm so excited to use this. Let's just get right into unboxing this. So the box is a little beat up, unfortunately. Here's what's inside. Here's everything you get. First thing you get are the instructions. You can pause and read if you need to. Next, we got some dual forms, but I'm not going to be using dual forms in this video because they're just not my favorite thing to use. And next, we got some nail tips. I just want to say every polygel kit should come with nail tips. Ditch the dual forms. I just think it's so good that this kit came with nail tips because no kit comes with nail tips. So good job, Burano. You can use these as half tips, full cover tips, whatever you want, and I think that was a good decision on their part. Next, we got some regular nail forms. We got the 3-in-1 base coat bottle right here. Basically, it's this giant bottle that you can use as slip solution, nail glue, and base coat. Next, it comes with these little containers. I'm not sure if you're supposed to put your slip solution in here or yeah, it comes with these containers. Next, we got top coat, a polygel brush, spatula on one end, and a brush on the other. We got a 100 and 180 grit hand file. And that is everything. Now we're gonna move on to the polygels. The first color is number 1, which is this really bright yellow. Next, we got a fiery reddish orange color. We got this beautiful red. We have here a purplish pink. Next is indigo. This is a really beautiful color. Now we have this bluish green color. Next color is this dark purple. And lastly, color number 8 is this beautiful dark red. So here are all the swatches, and I am really loving this color set. I mean, you got bright colors, you got dark colors, and they all just look so good right next to each other. I'm gonna cure them in the nail lamp to see what color they change to. So here are what the colors look like after they've been color changed. I don't know what to say. I'm so impressed. These colors are beautiful, color changed, and then they're normal colors too. We're just gonna get right into this nail set. So here are my natural nails. I just took off both of my old sets. We're just gonna get started with some fresh new nails. First things first, we're gonna take our cuticle pusher and I'm just gonna push back all of my cuticles. Next, I'm gonna take my cuticle scissors and start cutting off any excess cuticle. Next, I'm just going to take my nail drill with my fine grit sanding band and I'm just gonna remove the shine from all of the nails. I am doing this on a really low speed because I am working on the natural nail. This is just to remove the shine so that when we glue on the tips and apply the polygel and base coat and everything, then those products can stick to the nail longer. Next, I'm just taking some 100% acetone and I'm gonna wipe off all of the dust from the nails. This is gonna make the nail tips stick on better and longer. Next, I have my nail tips here. These are the clear Makartt nail tips. So I'm just gonna size all of the nail tips out. So I got the nail tips all sized out. I'm taking the 3-in-1 and using this as a nail glue. So I have my nail lamp over here to the side and I'm just going to take a little bit of this and put it at the tip of my nail where I would glue on the nail tip. I'm just going to put on the nail tip like this and slowly put my finger under the light. And that is how it looks. And I'm just going to continue doing that on the rest of the nails. Now, what I don't really like about these nail tips is that the pinky is so short. Like, why is the pinky so short compared to the rest? So I'm just gonna take my tip cutters and cut the rest of the nails to be the length of the pinky. Okay, next I'm going to take my hand file and just reshape these nail tips a little bit. Okay, now that I got the nail shaped, I'm just gonna take my fine grit sanding band once again, and I'm gonna remove the shine from all of the tips, as well as blend the nail tips into the natural nail. Next, I'm just gonna add a layer of base coat over the entire nail, and then I'm gonna cure that in my nail lamp for 30 seconds. Your nail lamp could be different from mine. So the consistency of this base coat, this 3-in-1, it's very thick. I mean, I kind of like it though because it doesn't run everywhere, you know what I mean? It doesn't run all over the place, so I kind of like how thick it is. It's also probably thick because it is a 3-in-1. You can do it as nail glue, base coat, or slip solution. So I just painted base coat on all of the nails. Now I'm going to cure that in my nail lamp for 30 seconds. So I just got my slip solution here and the polygel brush. I'm using slip solution because I honestly don't feel comfortable using the base coat as slip solution. I've tried it before It's just not my favorite thing to do, so I'm just using regular slip solution. We're doing an ombre nail set today. I'm going to be using these 5 colors for the tip color, and then I'm going to be using a regular nude. Let's just get right into the nails. I'm recreating this picture. I'm probably not going to do exactly everything from that nail set, but I am using it as my inspiration for today. So we're first going to take number 1, which is the bright yellow color, and we're just going to get started. I'm going to put this color on the pinky nail. Just putting a bead at the tip here. I'm gonna dip my brush into the slip solution and just tap it on my paper towel to get any of the excess liquid off. And then I'm just gonna start patting around this polygel. This is just gonna be the tip color, and for ombre, you usually do it in 2 beads. So this is the first bead we're working with. I'm just gonna flatten this out and cover the entire tip of the nail. Consistency of this polygel, it's not too thick. I actually like this consistency. It doesn't feel runny or sticky or anything like that, which is what I prefer. I don't really prefer a stickier polygel. I'm really in love with this yellow color. It is like a beautiful sunflower yellow. So we have some excess polygel here. I'm just gonna drag this excess part right here off the nail. Just going to make sure that the polygel is smoothed out and blended into the natural nail as well. Once I have the nail how I like it, I'm just going to cure that in my nail lamp. And here is how the yellow looks, color change. So I just kind of remembered the set I was doing. I should have put a much thinner layer of this yellow, or I should have not cured it and stuck the decoration in there. But we're just going to do it this way, and I'm just going to put the decorations on top. Continuing on, I'm just going to put a thinner layer of the polygel. Next, I'm going in with color number 2, which is this fiery orange color. I said thinner layer, but I definitely put too much. This color does actually look red, but it also looks orange. It's a little bit confusing. So I'm going to be encapsulating these nails, and that's why I need them to be pretty thin. Okay, so that was looking good. I'm just going to cure that, and then I'm going in with color number 3. Okay, so that looks good, and I'm just gonna cure that. Next is color number 4. Lastly, I'm taking color number 5. I'm just going to put a bead of that on the nail. Now that all the tips of the nails are cured and ready to go, these colors are looking so cute right now. I have here some Fimo fruit slices. I got both of these from Born Pretty. The link will be in the description if you want them. You can use the code VIC20 for 20% off. I've been waiting for the right time to use these fruit slices, and I think this, with this polygel set and these colors, I think now is the right time. So I'm just going to pick out the fruits. I am using fruits that correspond with the colors. So I have my buffet of fruits over here. I'm just gonna take some of the 3-in-1, and so I'm just gonna put some base coat on the nail here, and I'm just gonna pick up my fruit slices and place them into the uncured base coat. And I'm actually just gonna add some glitter around the grapes. I'm using this Born Pretty glitter. I've used it in one of my other videos. It's kind of like a bluey purple glitter, so I think it'll match really nicely on this purple nail. I'm just gonna take a old polygel brush, dip that into the glitter. Then I'm just going to put this in my nail light and cure that. Now I'm just going to do the same thing on the rest of the nails. I'm just putting a nice thick layer of base coat. Then I'm going to add on the fruit slices. And actually I want to cut a fruit slice in half. Oh, okay, that was easy. Now I'm going to add the fruit slices on. I'm actually just gonna put the glitter on first. Then I'll go in with the strawberry slices. So we got all the fruits on. I'm just gonna cure this last nail. So here are how the nails are looking with the fruit slices just sitting on the nail right now. Next things next, we're just doing some ombre. So I'm just taking this Grecian nude, which is my favorite nude color. Since this base coat is so thick, before I go in with the nude color, I'm just going to paint a layer of the base coat over the nail. This is gonna encapsulate those glitters and kind of encapsulate the fruit slices so that when I ombre it can be a little bit smoother. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the nude color. I'm just gonna put a bead here near the cuticle. I'm gonna take my polygel brush. I'm just going to pat that into the cuticle as close as I can get it. So now once I have the cuticle area taken care of, I have this big bead of polygel still left, and I'm just going to drag that up into the rest of the nail. So I'm just going to put this in the nail lamp. So I'm just going to do that same thing on the rest of the nails. Honestly, I'm really liking these nails. So now I'm just taking some rubbing alcohol and I'm wiping off the tacky layer of the nails. Then I'm going in with this clear polygel from Model 1s and I'm just going to encapsulate these nails. I'm encapsulating our ombre design as well as encapsulating the fruits because I did paint base coat over them, but that's not encapsulating them fully. Now I'm just taking some of the slip solution. You can use slip solution, rubbing alcohol, whatever you want. And I'm just wiping off the tacky layer of the nails once again. So after I'm done encapsulating, these are how the nails are looking. They look so good right now. I mean, yes, the shape is a little wonky, but I mean, the design, yes. So I just got my hand file here, my Makartt dust collector, and I'm just gonna start shaping the nails. So if you guys are interested in this Burano color changing polygel kit, the link and all of the information will be in the description. So this Burano color changing polygel kit is $35 on Amazon and you get 8 different colors and they color change, and I think it is really worth it. And you pretty much get everything you need except for a nail lamp, but that is usual for polygel kits, don't really come with a nail lamp. One thing I really loved about this kit is that it came with nail tips, full cover nail tips. I think full cover tips are a necessity for polygel. You can use them as tips, full cover tips, or you can even use them as dual forms using the Laser Girl method from Femi Beauty. Next, I'm taking my fine drill bit and I'm just gonna go over all the nails. This is gonna remove the scratches or any lumps that could be on the nail. And next I'm taking these colorful gems that I think I got in a Model 1's kit. I added the gems that match the fruits, so I just did that for all the nails. And next I'm taking my Dipped in Dusted Nails cuticle oil and I'm putting a drop on each of the nails, and then I'm gonna rub that in. And here are how the nails turned out. I think these nails turned out so good. I mean, the colors are beautiful. The color changing effect is beautiful. The design is beautiful. I mean, let me know in the comments what you guys think of this set. I really did enjoy doing this set. It was so much fun and they turned out so good. You could see before they looked kind of nude, and now here's what they look like color changed in their bright, vibrant colors. Let me know in the comments which nail is your favorite. I don't know why, but I really love the lemon nail. It's just so pretty. The link for this Polygel kit will be in the description. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.